Hello everyone, welcome to the show I Talk You Talk on Bonnie's chat room. If you're new on this show, hi, I am taking, you can call me Titi. On this channel, we'll talk about entrepreneurship, we'll talk about empowerment, we'll talk about skill acquisition, we'll talk about motivation. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go ahead and click on the notification bell so you will be the first to get every update we make. And to my wonderful subscribers, thank you for believing in me. I don't take you for granted. Today on the show, I have with me someone who is into hair revamping and wig making. And you'll be wondering, but you've done a video about that before. Why are you bringing someone else? There's a difference in this one. The other person I interviewed had a long time existing business. She was into makeup, she was into hair, she was into different business, and she had a space. But today we are speaking to someone who is just 2 months in the business and the business is flourishing like wildfire. The clients you have gotten in this 2 months is something you shout about. I'll leave her to introduce herself to you. So right about now, welcome her to the show.
Thank you so much to the host for the invite. Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Atoboboilaifa Joy. Like she said, I wig hairs, bundle, closure, frontal, and I also do revamping. I also teach on hair ethics and so many other hair works.
So what inspired you to go into this business?
The inspiration came from me. First of all, I love to keep my hair neat. I love to keep my hair sharp. And I said to myself, okay, why don't I just start up and be doing things for myself and to save costs, because I spend a lot on wig maintenance and wigging. Imagine me gathering these monies I've been spending outside to learn it. And I know when I do something, I do it perfectly on myself. And I was my inspiration.
When officially did you start this business?
I started November 12th.
November 12th.
Yes, 2025.
2025.
Yes.
Wow. So now we are in the month of December. So that means the business is not even barely up to 2 months.
No.
So how many clients have you gotten in this period?
You know, when you have one client might give you like 5 hair.
Because you're good.
Yes, because I'm good, yes. Because I already have, there's this impression about me that she's neat. She keeps her hair clean.
Okay.
So people will just trust me with their hair. I have many people that will say, if it's Joy, please give her the hair. Most people, they don't like giving other people to revamp their hair because there are a lot of people that use fake products.
Okay.
And me, I use standard products. I don't joke with my product. I don't compromise using enough product. When I see that the hair is dry or the hair has lost its look, I try to revive it. That's why in my motto, my motto is, we raise dead hairs back to life.
Oh wow.
Yes. So I call myself aka Hair Jesus.
Okay.
Apart from wig mechanic, yes. Yes.
So now, okay, aka Hair Jesus,
yes.
Wig mechanic.
Yes.
So where do you get your products from? Because you talked about having original products.
Yes.
Where do you get your products
okay,
from?
I don't believe in getting my product from outside Bielsa, because if maybe one of my product gets finished, I won't start ordering just one. So God sent a good Samaritan to show me where I'll get good product in Bielsa. So the man explained the different products, and so far I have been using it and that's been giving me good results.
Now someone is watching and they're wondering, how did you get this skill?
Okay, well, first of all, I started watching online for years. For 3 years. It's not something I just woke up in the morning and said, let me just go into. And I've been calling, making my research, asking people, please, I want to learn revamping. And the bill they've been giving me so much high bill. And I didn't really have the money to start up. So after watching online, I said, okay, let me go into it physically so that I can get some ethics. Then when I did, a friend of mine taught me this business, and adding to what I've learned online, adding A and B together, and I said, okay, it's a good start. Then I used my hair as an example to test this product, and it gave me perfect results. So I can start doing it to others.
Okay. Is this business, is it very difficult? Is it a difficult one? Can you walk us through the process? Because somebody that is watching me aspire to go into this business, but it's going to be like, oh, I don't think I can do, I don't have an idea. so that if the person even comes on this YouTube streets to look for somebody that is revamping hair, the person will have an idea to say, oh, okay, this is actually the process. I'm actually in the right platform. So can you walk us through the process?
Okay. First of all, you have to be neat as an individual. When I mean neatness, it has to start from your hair. When you have the passion to keep your hair neat, you have the passion to keep other people's hair neat. Now, the wigging process, I specially take my client's head measurement and transfer the measurement into a canvas where I take proper measurement to avoid oversized or undersized. In that way, you're wearing your wig and you're having your perfect head size. Then for the revamping, most times we have, issues with having to, detangle. Because if you don't detangle well, you might just lose your client's hair. And what will you tell the client that, oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake? No. So I carefully detangle mostly the closure parts so that I wouldn't have to have holes or gaps when the person is wearing the hair, and it would send a wrong motive that you don't know how to do your job.
Now, what are the challenges? In as much as the business is very lucrative and all that, what are the challenges that you have faced in this period, or that you may face in the near future?
Okay, first of all, let me start from the challenges I faced when I started. Price issue. When I started, someone was trying to price me beneath my standard, and I stood on my grounds because I know what I'm worth and I know what I'm doing. So because of that, I brought up a policy, and that policy has really helped my business. Like I've met with wonderful clients that once they just heard my policy, they were like, okay, you pay before I start, then before you get your hair, I confirm the remaining payments, and that has really helped my business. So the beginning was where the challenges were, and I was able to come out of that particular challenge with having a policy.
Wow, this is very interesting and remarkable. I've learned a lot. So we'll be right back after a short break. Don't go nowhere. Welcome back to the show. I Talk You Talk on Bonnie's chat room. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please do that. Remember, we rise by lifting others. Now we're still with the wig mechanic. She said her name is AKA
Hair Jesus.
So now we're looking at, you're new in this business.
Yeah.
What can you say contributed to your success story?
A lot of things. First of all, I would say my husband, because when I started, he was like, let's get a book where you write all your achievements, all your clients' hair, and the date of delivery. So that alone has really helped my business.
Wow.
And what has also helped my business is my packaging.
Okay.
Now, when you work with me, I don't take my customers or clients for granted, because for you to even reach out to me, it means that you really love and trust me.
Nice. So what's the mistake most people make with their wigs, please?
So many mistakes. Like I just said, first of all, the right product on your hair, and most people don't revamp their hair. Now, according to your usage,
because of the charges.
Yes, but you will find out that somebody will spend 400,000 in buying hair, and when you see the hair, you'll be disappointed because the hair is looking not like the money. Why? Because it's constant usage.
So how often should you revamp your hair?
Depending on the usage. If you wear your hair almost every day, then you should be sure to revamp your hair every 2 months or even every month.
So what are those challenges you think people face when they don't revamp their hair?
See, lots of headache. Headache.
Are you serious?
Smells.
Okay.
Yes, because if you don't, like, I revamped my neighbor's hair and she was shouting, oh my God, my hair is soft and it's not heavy.
Okay.
Because when your hair is caked, it's tangled. When you wear it, you won't feel comfortable. You might just fling the hair. And her hair is a Vietnamese hair. It's very expensive. So when I revamped it, she was shouting, oh my God, this. So many challenges. You will get sick because your hair has pores. So organisms will just go into your brain and you'll be giving you unnecessary headaches. And you'll be able to appear well in events. Or even when you appear like, what kind of hair is this? So that's the society we live in.
So what would you advise someone that wants to start this business?
Okay.
What would be your advice?
Well, one thing is Do you know how to keep your hair neat? How you keep your hair? So first of all, look inward. Let the reflection start from you. And when you start, people will like, okay, I'll give her my hair. So first of all, look inward and ask yourself, okay, can I do this? And there's nothing you cannot do. Just start it and everything will be walk away for you.
Wow. I've learned a lot. So many things I didn't know before. Now
Yeah.
I've heard them today. So if you found this video useful, please go to the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you're interested in hair revamping business, please go to the comment section also. Let me know and we'll surely get back to you. So this is where we draw the curtain on today's edition. Until next time, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.